Hello everybody, what is good, what is happening? It is your boy from Everyday Trip, and thank you for coming back to my channel to watch another video here today. Hope you're having a great day or evening wherever you are. I know I am. In this video today, we're going to be staying at the Bear Springs Hotel, sister property to Yamava. And we're going to start off going into room 231, which is the room that we stayed at. During the stay, we were at the Ice Cube concert. That video is out on my channel already. Go check that out if you haven't already. I will have a link on screen and at the end of the video. So let's start off with the half kitchen for the room review. To kick things off, when you first open the door on the left hand side, you will see your sink, and then in the middle of the counter you're going to have your ice bucket. You're going to have some water. On the right hand side, that's going to be your coffee maker. So for all the coffee lovers out there, you're going to have some coffee in your room. Very, very nice. And under the counter in the middle is going to be our refrigerator. So if you bring any snacks, bring any food, get any food at Yamava maybe, or in the surrounding areas, it can stay nice and cold in that fridge. And also around the fridge on the left and right hand side, there is lots and lots of storage. In this room, there is lots of storage. We did end up getting the queen suite. So we have a couch, we have a chair, we also have 2 beds, and we have a lot of room, as you can see. Very, very spacious room. Alright, let's make our way to the bathroom in the queen suite. First thing you're going to see is the robe, which is very, very comfortable. One thing I love about going to the hotels is the robes. They are super comfy most of the time, and I definitely recommend throwing that thing on. And we have our amenities on the counter. As you can see, we have our Kleenex, our tissue on the right hand side. On the left hand side is going to be your shower cap, your body wash, your lotion, and your hand soap. All the amenities. And then for the bathroom here, we have our toilet paper, as you can see, hanging on the wall. And then above the toilet, we're going to have another roll of toilet paper in a nice little bag. Something cool to note that I don't see at many hotels is in the shower there is dual shower heads. One is attached to the wall and the other one is a detachable shower head. So something cool to note, you don't see very often, and I thought it was quite cool, and the shower was actually very relaxing. Something I really do enjoy about the Yamava properties is the lighting and the headboards. The way that their lighting works is very, very cool. I have a link on screen and at the end of my video to an executive suite room tour that I did on my channel not too long ago. If you love Yamava as much as I do, go check that out. Really cool video. Also in that video we're on the Y lounge floor. Go check that out. The shots there are super, super dope. But back to this room here at Bear Springs. As I was saying, there is a lot of storage here. On both sides of this dresser, you have this big cabinet with 2 shelves. And on the right hand side, there is even some more storage. So if you are staying here, you can bring a lot of stuff and it has a place and it won't feel very cluttered at all. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for the room tour at Bear Springs. Real quick before the video ended, I just wanted to throw in a couple shots from the Serrano Vista Cafe at Yamava Hotel Resort and Casino. We went here just before the Ice Cube concert started, had to get some food in. And I just want to take a couple shots here for you guys to show you what it is like with the experience. The customer service is great, and I have a couple shots of the food as well as the menu here. On my channel I have other videos of eateries inside Yamava Hotel Resort and Casino, so go check those out. I have videos from the buffet as well as the Pines Modern Steakhouse. So with that out of the way, let's get into some of the food here at the Serrano Vista Cafe. To start off, we're going to have some of the buffalo wings, which were surprisingly good. Some buffalo wings aren't as good as I would like them to be, but these were actually surprisingly good. I'm giving them a 8 out of 10 today. Super, super good and underrated. So go check those out if you want some chicken wings and you're at Yamava. Next up here we have the garlic parmesan fries, the truffle fries. And you cannot miss with these. These are hidden no matter where you go to get them. Always recommend these if they're on the menu. I'm also going to be giving these an 8 out of 10 today. And next up we have the garlic toast. And it comes with some marinara sauce, so if you dip it in that marinara sauce, it's going to give it this pizza effect, which is super, super good. I'm also going to be giving this an 8 out of 10 today. All in all, the Serrano Vista Cafe is super good and delicious. Go try it out if you're at Yamava. Lastly, for this video, I just want to showcase the Ice Cube concert that I went to. Here's a couple shots and a quick video of the concert, and also I have a couple slot videos for the slot video that dropped last week on my channel. That's going to be it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm out. Peace.